Biyahe tayo ng SMX Convention Center. First time ko pupunta sa ganong event. Hopefully, we get to talk with the manufacturers and factory. Wish us luck. And tingin tayo ng mga malulupit na sasakyan mamaya doon. Sama kasi Mrs. pala, so parang semi-date na rin namin. Piling binatot dalaga for a day again.
Interested namang yung shop owner ba?
Opo.
Kasi yung ano namin ngayon, yung supplier ng rubber.
Hello.
Sa cute ways of colors and everything, you can customize it.
And affordable and also
It's all over the country, especially Indonesia, in Korea, we have the especially in Australia. Variety of colors, no, everything.
Also, the best.
Do you also paint? Do you also...
I was a good paint. I was a good.
Like your custom or your do-it brand, we can also try. But
It's time to try again, no?
yes, have fun.
Exactly.
So we get to speak with one of companies here na nagmamanufacture din ng spray paint from Barcelona mismo. Doon, nabigyan tayo ng samples as well as yung contacts. So ngayon, mag-ikot-ikot lang tayong konti. Kasama ko si Mrs., si Millennial Mompreneur. And check-check tayo ng mga astig na sasakyan dito. Saka may kilala pa kami nandito. So actually, last time na nakapag-attend ako ng car show event is naalala ko dati pa. Bumper to bumper, nag-doodle kami ng sasakyan. Ayan o. Sulit.
Ito mga pang-camping.
Makapal. Bisa ka naka-ano.
Mga negosyante, pero ito ang pinakasikat.
Ay! Hello!
Ipapayano natin. I-ano natin kay Auto Culture. Sige, sige. Ha?
Easy kang malamang eh.
Hindi, may kapalit naman ako para medyo makaikot.
Pilox, laser. Yung gamit ko na nakaraan eh. Dito tayo nang galing sa Manila Auto Salon.